पहले तो यार जब हम सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं तो हमें एक मैसिव इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम होता है.
कब होता है ये?
तुम्हें नहीं हुआ है? वेरी
सक्सेसफुल भी तो होना पड़ेगा रोहिणी
Shut
जी.
up.
He was the one who approved my pictures when they did a look test.
Oh, they were like सोना मुंडा.
And they were like, ठीक है, ये play करेगा मुझे.
क्या
Okay.
बात, so sweet.
I was so nervous on the first day because they had announced just 5-6 days before my first day of shoot
Correct.
that Jaideep Ahlawat joins the cast of Family Man. So I was like, Manoj sir, Sharif sir, Priya Mani, Ashlesha, Vedanta, just counting. And now we have Jaideep sir and we have Nimrat ma'am. I was like, great. हमारा जितना भी competition है ना, वो industry में नहीं, वो आपस में ही चारों का है. Aisha was genuinely one of those projects where we had zero money. हम चाहे Emmy या Oscar भी जीत जाए ना, we just can't.
मेरे शो पर आने के लिए लड़कों को सिर्फ 3 क्वालिटीज की जरूरत है. गुड लुक्स एंड गुड लुक्स. हरमन संगा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग.
Thank you, Rohini. Thank you so much. This has been a dream of mine because I've come and met you in groups
Yes, of
as
course,
members
it
of different shows. But to do a one-on-one is really special.
This is really special
And congratulations, first of all. We got to celebrate
thank
your
you
big
to you
move.
too.
Just going up the food chain. I love it how you're doing this.
Yes, because पहले मैं पाव भाजी खाती थी, अब
हाँ.
मैं नली निहारी खा रही हूँ. This is too good.
With
But
a dash of avocado salad and the bruschetta, सब मिला के.
अब तो महंगे खाने खाएगी दीदी.
Please,
This
please.
is good. महंगा खाना, as you go up in life, as you get more successful, you also start eating less, which is an interesting observation that
I'm
I
trying
have.
to tell my parents to eat less.
Yeah?
But Punjabis don't understand.
Parents don't understand.
उनका concept ही है, there are meals
Yes.
and the snacks that they have between the meals are as big as the
meal. Yeah, absolutely.
It's insane. So I'm trying to tell, like Ranvijay has this concept. He's like, as every 5 years, you should be losing weight so that when you grow old, you can take care of all your things, you can move around.
Yeah, absolutely. But the reason why we are being so casual, because this is casual conversations with Harman. The reason why we're not so casual is that Harman has had a very, very successful release out recently, and it's a show called Family Man Season 3. He plays Yatish Chawla, and if you haven't watched the season, I'm not going to give you spoilers, but let's just say Harman's performance blew me away, and he totally surprised me because it was such a nice opportunity for an actor to actually be able to do, more. So I think it's really amazing. First, let's start with Family Man Season 3.
Absolutely.
How has that been for you, Harman?
So I'm now understanding how big the show is because honestly, I knew of it from afar.
Correct.
Then as part of the team for a year and a half, I've been working with Rajan DK, Suman sir, Tushar sir. But the day it released, something shifted and every day has felt like it's my birthday since then. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah.
The fact that my parents are getting so many messages, Ranvijay is getting messages, my best friends, everybody is getting messages saying that this feels like a personal victory. We've seen him around for like 15, 16 years doing all of that. And they're used to me doing 2-3 scenes in big projects. So for them, it was like, oh, third episode, fourth, fifth, maybe. It's like a full role.
Yeah.
So it was really exciting. And I didn't tell anybody that it was actually a biggish role. And the fact that it's got such a nice arc.
Yeah.
So I kept it to myself for a year and a half. My parents are so happy. Like the whole Army, Navy, Air Force circuit is just like rooting. They've always rooted for Ranvijay.
Yeah.
And I'm a natural extension of that.
And let's talk about that connection because this is a great opportunity to actually get to know, Harman a little more, because his father is actually someone who works in the armed forces.
Yeah, he retired in 2016.
Yeah, so that's the connection. And how did that really impact the lives of the two brothers? Talk to us about that.
The fact is, I'll tell you honestly, we always discuss this. हम चाहे Emmy या Oscar भी जीत जाए ना, we just can't like do what he's ever done. He has been in the United Nations as a force commander in Syria and Israel. He's spoken at the UN General Assembly. Met Ban Ki-moon. So those things where you have real world impact. Yeah. I mean, it's just different. We don't have real world impact. I'm being honest, man. We make films, right? You got to take it for what it is. We're not constructing dams or making schools or changing lives. In some way we are, but what
Yeah.
he's done and what my mother's also done. So हमारा जितना भी competition है ना, वो
Hmm.
industry में नहीं, वो आपस में ही चारों का है.
क्या बात है?
Really.
That's amazing.
Each one wants to like
Nice.
one up the other.
But at the same time, I think your parents were so open-minded to allow the two of you to pursue lives in the arts.
Yeah.
Because it would have been very simple.
Even though, especially when we're not really particularly talented. It's true. It's true. I'm telling you. Ranvijay and I really can't sing. He can really dance, but
Yeah.
it's not the quintessential
Yeah.
like
yeah.
actor talent.
Correct.
Whatever it is, something else.
Correct. Yeah. But the reason why Ranvijay will always hold a very special place in my heart because, you know, he's literally one of the last of the OGs, man, which is the VJs. And in VJों को देखकर ही हमने अपने life के career choices बनाए थे. मुझे VJ बनना था. And then, of course, I landed up, you know, doing all of this because of people like Ranvijay.
And they were the coolest.
Yeah.
It was the coolest job in the country at that time.
Yeah.
Especially when you had both the Cyruses, you had Malaika Arora, you had like everybody.
Nikhil
man.
Janappa,
Chinappa,
Shanaz
like,
Treasury Wala, Jose.
and then the whole gang in
Yeah,
Channel V also.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
just, and there was this Channel V, MTV.
Rivalry.
Yeah, but all of them were really cool. And just to be in a room with these guys used to always feel like this non-stop entertainment. Have you ever been to that MTV office?
I have actually. Okay, so full disclosure, I was one of the participants of the MTV VJ Hunt in 2010.
Who was the judge?
So I don't know who the
Was it
judges
Karan
were.
Johar and a couple of other people?
I'm sure Karan was there, but it was me, Prabal Punjabi, Sukhmani Sadana, Galen. It was that
okay.
batch, and it was so much fun, and I had learned so much, and they were all there. So Ria was there, okay,
Yes.
Ria Chakravarti,
Of course.
and we had such a great time bonding with these guys and the MTV office, man. It was so cool.
Everything that people describe about the Silicon Valley and cool offices, ping pong tables, this, that, they had everything. They used to have edit bays. People
Yeah.
used to sleep
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
wake up there, shower, start working. It was one of the most eclectic.
Yes,
places to be.
media companies to be at. But you, at this time, when the world was trying to be a VJ, you went to the Merchant Navy.
Yeah.
And that's so strange because my younger brother is, you know, was also in the Merchant Navy, is also in the Merchant Navy. He's with Musk. So what made you take that up?
I think it was between my dad and I. So I was in Pune in my high school. I did, and I had all the plans of doing engineering, IIT jayenge, literally. But I was a dumbass. I can say that. No.
Yeah, of course.
But I was not particularly bright at that level. But
mhm,
I gave my
mhm,
IIT and AIEEE, and I got through an engineering college in Pune
Oh, wow.
for a very cool course, BBA with computers, and I went for 3 weeks.
Correct.
And in those 3 weeks, I genuinely realized that another 3-4 years of being in a classroom would just like snatch my soul away because I was not as extroverted as my brother or my dad, but I still liked to be moving around, playing
Correct.
something, and sitting in a
Correct.
classroom was painful. And my dad thought it was a great idea because compared to the army, Merchant Navy had more money.
Yeah.
And Ranvijay started working in MTV, so my dad was like, "Yeah, दोनों का financial वो थोड़ा
So, set हो जाएगा.
set हो जाएगा." And 3 years later, I was supposed to give my exams. So my parents said, "Come to Delhi, we are in Delhi." And I said, "I'm going to Bombay because Ranvijay is there." So I came to Bombay with the pretext of not knowing anything कि मेरे को Merchant Navy में वापस जाना है, इतनी पढ़ाई करनी है, नहीं करनी. And in a few months, Ranvijay realized that, and he said, "You want to like try something in this? I like do whatever you do is very difficult. I've seen you work on a set. I don't have the courage to even think of that." But I'm really liking what the assistant directors are doing on set. They're wearing cargo pants. They have a walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
They look like they're in control.
In charge, yeah, absolutely.
So I've worked behind the camera all my life. I started as an intern. Then I was a DA on MasterChef India. I became an ACD. I did roadies as an assistant director. And then I got sick of reality TV. Then I became Nagesh Kukunu's chief AD and Abbas Tayarwala's writing intern. So that was film school. For 2 years, I used to go to Nagesh sir's office. And the evening I used to
What
go
was
to-
Nagesh making then?
He made a film called Lakshmi and Dhanak.
Okay, yeah,
Both
of
really
course.
nice films. So
Of
I was
course.
on Lakshmi. Then I also did the whole pre-production for Dhanak.
Mhm.
But that film school of 2 years was just amazing because Nagesh sir is a very efficient writer. Every day he writes from 9 to 10. And Abbas is a very prolific writer.
Yeah.
Like the references, the reading material. So I got a nice sense of filmmaking.
How to
and
do
writing.
this, yes.
Then I thought,
absolutely.
मुझे आता है. Then I started writing.
Yeah.
And I made Aisha.
You made Aisha,
Yeah.
which is insane because I've watched that show and of course, we knew you were in it, but I saw it a while back, so it didn't.
2016.
Yeah, it didn't strike me that
Before the OTTs even came into
came
play.
out. Yeah. But I watched that show. I remember, And at that time, I didn't pay attention to the fact that you also, created it,
Yeah.
which is insane. And I want us to talk about it because
It's my favorite show.
it's such a good show,
It is.
guys. First of all, one second, I have to take you back to this show. It's such a cool show. And the thought behind the show is pretty much if, machines that we use had a mind of their own.
Yeah.
So, there are parallels which are like you, for example. But I really.
You, her,
Yeah.
and the biggest
Yeah.
parallel is Frankenstein.
And Frankenstein.
Like
of
what you
course, the
create,
OG,
you
yeah,
lose
of
control
course.
of your own creation.
Yeah.
And now it's become more relevant, right? Artificial intelligence.
In the
is-
time of AI. Yeah.
So some people say it was ahead of its time, which makes me feel bad. I was like, was it not relevant back then? But AI was on the rise,
Well,
regardless.
people, where can people watch it even now?
It's on YouTube. It's on Array's YouTube still the first 2 seasons. Then MX Player bought the show.
Yes.
And they did another season 3 without Sahir and me.
Mhm.
And that season didn't do well. I wonder why. You got to be blunt about these things sometimes.
Absolutely. Family Man, better watch out. Yeah.
And Aisha was genuinely one of those projects where we had zero money. Like when I say zero money, it was literally made. I was using my own motorcycle for some shots where Sahir is sitting behind me and we're doing tracking shots. Sahir has got his own car. He's sitting behind the car and he's shooting. And it was lovely because it was, again, somebody gave you, even if they give you 10 rupees, right? Some is giving you money. to
Tell
make
me
your
about
life,
it.
right?
Yeah.
And I was working with Cyrus Oshidar in 101 India, hosting travel shows.
Yeah.
There also, he used to just give me some money and go to Varanasi, go to Kerala.
Yeah.
So those 2-3 years, I became a little more independent as a creator in a way that, okay, maybe I can do this myself. I learned a little bit of editing, a little bit about music. But Aisha's my pride and joy, man. It was my
Actually
calling
is.
card in the industry for a
I'm
long
so
time.
happy that you feel this way because I really like this show.
I love it.
And it's like,
I'm after the producers now also.
do
So
it
I'm
again.
trying to increase my profile as a person कि यार शायद Aisha द्वारा
हाँ
because
यार.
today if I make it, it'll be so cool.
It'll be so cool. And खुद को कर बुलंद इतना, that
Yes.
people come to you and say कि तेरी रज़ा क्या है? क्या बात है? क्या बात है?
क्या बात है रोहिणी? क्या
क्या
बात
बात
है?
है? तेरी रज़ा मुराद क्या है? So, yeah, we have to do this. Maybe we should just do this reel today, है ना?
Please.
Let's
can
do
we,
it.
Can we do it?
Yeah,
Yes,
we'll do
I'm
it
on.
here
I'm
only.
on. 100%.
Okay, at the end of this. And then, of course, you've been around, acting.
Yeah.
But I just want to ask you, like, how do you look at yourself? Because I think as artists, we're constantly. पहले तो यार जब हम सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं तो हमें एक मैसिव इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम होता है.
कब होता है ये?
तुम्हें नहीं हुआ है? Very
Successful
good.
Successful भी तो होना पड़ेगा रोहिणी
Shut up.
जी.
He's very successful. I think you've done really well for yourself. But there is an imposter syndrome.
Yeah.
There is also the whole like, who am I really? Am I a creator? Am I an actor? So I want to ask you, how do you approach that for yourself?
I actually look at it in my head. I feel like I still think like a writer and a first AD
Yeah.
on set. Really, like when I
I
go
know
on
what you're
set,
saying.
I go on set. There's so many times where I'm looking at the camera operator and like, sir, क्या हो गया? Like, तेरा mark ठीक है या ये है lens तूने कौन सा use किया है? I really love all of that stuff. I've worked in the art department. I've worked in the costume department.
Yeah, of course.
I've been a manager for the cast,
Yeah.
where I'm always the one who's knocking and bringing them to the set. I really enjoy the vibe on a set. So
You just love being around.
I
a
love
set.
being on a set, and I feel like going from the thought process of being a technician is way better than having that thing that, oh, I'm an actor. And I love contributing on the script. So in Potluck, there were scenes where I would rewrite the whole scene and take it to the director, and she was so happy with that.
Yeah.
She's like, I love the fact that you're taking initiative.
Correct.
Of course, if your ideas don't work, I'll tell you.
Sure.
But if you do a good scene, please
Sure.
go ahead and do it.
And Potluck just never stopped.
Yeah.
Like season pe, 3 season हुआ ना?
Season third they were trying to make, but
Yeah.
I think because of this entire shift
Correct.
of the two companies kind of
Correct.
coming together.
But
not
2
coming-
seasons, yeah?
2 seasons back
Yeah,
to back,
yeah.
and it was a lot of fun again. You know everybody
Of
in that
course,
show, right?
yeah.
Some of your
Yeah.
favorites are in that show, Ira,
Yeah,
Shikha, Cyrus.
absolutely.
And that again, it just gives you little confidence. I also wrote a show called Avrod. I was the head writer on that. Then I wrote a series of short films. So for me, it was like every year do a little bit of writing as well. And people used to say, bro, choose. You got to act. You got to write. दोनों चीजें एक साथ नहीं होती. And I do agree to some extent that for acting you need like a continuous push, right? You have to
Yes.
take care of yourself. You have to
Yeah.
be. Writing is a job where you want to like destroy everything.
Yeah. You can
And
eat
just-
anything when you're writing.
Eat anything. Don't take care of. So work late at nights. Have dark circles
Yeah.
because I'm a writer.
Yeah.
Right.
Of course,
Everything is
of
allowed.
course, absolutely.
But I couldn't do that for a while, and this year I'm getting back to writing something because I've gotten after Suman sir, who's the writer and director. I've gotten after.
I
I'm
hate him. Please tell him that. Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell him.
It's just for you, Suman. Okay.
Oh, there is some Suman.
Personal message.
Yeah.
मैं तुमसे नफरत करूंगी. ये काट के लगाएंगे उसको. हाँ,
But
तू
I
ले
don't know
ले.
how I see myself. I would love to be in a position where I can make my own
Mm,
stories, whether
mm,
I'm acting in it, Ranvij is acting in it, my people that I know, Varun
mm,
Sood, all these
mm.
people are acting
Yeah,
in it.
yeah, yeah.
Right? I would love for that to happen, and I see.
But I'm sorry, but I'm going to take you back to one of the most beautiful pieces of acting, and now it has so much more meaning and significance, is that you had the privilege to play a young Dharmendra.
Can you imagine?
Like, it's so crazy because,
It's like you've rightly
yeah,
said, privilege
yeah,
and like a blessing.
yeah,
And the fact that I got to meet him felt like a divine intervention
yeah,
because he's not just my hero, he's my father's hero.
yeah.
He's my
Mother's.
mother's like crush, childhood crush. And we used to hear only two names when you were growing up, Dara Singh and Dharmender
Dharmendra.
ji. Because we're a Punjabi family and we're like from the
Yes.
forces. So he was everything that we loved. Ranvij used to mimic dialogues from
Mm,
Sholay. He still does.
mm,
When you
mm,
meet him at a wedding situation, he'll
mm,
be like, Basanti. And to meet
mm.
Dharmender ji was unbelievable. Just the fact that I got to touch his hand and he blessed me. I mean, it was too sweet. And he was the one who approved my pictures when they did a look test.
Oh, they were like Sona Munda.
And they were like, you're like, ठीक है, ये play करेगा मुझे.
क्या बात है,
Okay.
so sweet,
Yeah,
yeah.
so I just got to meet him, and that's
Yeah.
a big, big deal. So I always, whenever I get a chance to
Mm.
meet Karan sir, I just tell him, ki, sir,
Thank
बाकी सब ठीक
you.
है, thank you for
Yeah,
that.
thank you for this
Then I also
opportunity.
said the role बड़ा भी हो सकता था थोड़ा. Like,
You know, I always feel like it's never about that, right? For you, this
no,
is
it's never
always going
been.
to be a memory that you will cherish.
Yeah.
You got to play
Yeah.
him, yeah.
Yeah.
And in a time when he's around, you know.
And got
And
to
I'm
meet
sure
him.
that, yeah, and I'm sure that this last couple of weeks, you know, it's so crazy how artists, you know, impact our lives.
He had a different kind of impact.
Yeah.
He was somebody that, not just in the films, there was something about him that people liked outside of the films as a
Yeah.
personality. I
Yes,
think he always
yes.
talked the talk. He never minced his words. I'm not saying everybody is a perfect human being, but the fact that he was honest throughout his
Yes.
life,
And he's
and
real. Yeah.
he was very real.
Yeah.
He was
yeah.
very real, and you see that in the entire family.
Absolutely.
And it trickles down. I had the chance to meet Bobby sir when we were doing Rocky Rani, and he looked at me and was like, you know, you have done a very nice job. Papa is very happy.
So sweet.
Like, that's
और
all.
क्या चाहिए life में?
That's all.
Of course, of course. No, I think it's a privilege, and I'm so happy that you were here to talk about it.
Yeah.
Because I had the privilege of spending some time with him once, and it was beautiful. Work-wise, so you know, you meet your stars. But once he invited me home on chai, and he read me all his poetry.
He's wonderful.
उर्दू में लिखते थे. और मैंने उनसे पूछा, this is 2017, I remember. And I asked him, I said, why don't you publish it? Like, and in my mind, I'm like, publish it quickly, you know. And he looked at me and said, what's the hurry? And I just loved him. I just loved that confidence, saying that, no, I have so much more to write. My family will publish it once I go.
He was 88 when he was shooting for Rocky and Rani.
Yes.
And I can't tell you how coherent he was and how involved he was. So you saw the shot. There's only one day where we shot together where the camera transitions from me sitting to him sitting. It's the same shot. And he was telling Karan sir in the DOP कि कहाँ से lighting कर रहे हो? अच्छा ये वाला है. तो मेरा ये वाला देखना ये ज़्यादा better लग रहा है कि ये better लग रहा है. And we always remember him for somebody who was like larger than life and very good looking. But people forget the technician, the actor. He was prolific in, like you said, in Urdu, in Hindi, Punjabi.
Yes.
His comic timing was unparalleled.
Great, yeah.
And before that, he had done a lot of serious roles also.
Of course.
Like before
of
the
course.
Sholay phase and everything happened, he had done some insane movies. As
Absolutely.
an officer, as an Air Force officer, he looked
Yeah, Blackmail.
amazing.
Pratigya, there's so many films that he done.
He had
and
black and white movies. Have you seen those? Oof.
yeah, him and Dev Saab, like,
Yeah.
look very good in black and white. And now let's come, of course, to Family Man Season 3. It's such a popular show. And
So,
at the same time,
I'm
this
realizing
year,
it, how popular it is now.
बहुत ज़्यादा popular show है.
Very popular. So I'll tell you the spectrum.
Yeah.
The person who came to deliver something at home had seen it, and somebody at the airport who does the security check, they're also watching it. My sister-in-law's friends in London, who are completely from a different world, they are watching it. People in Australia, Canada, everywhere.
Yeah, and you were part of a third season, which means that these players we all already know.
Yes.
They're all very popular already.
Like
they're all
Shrikant
very loved.
Suchi, the kids, Zoya, Sharib.
Yeah, Sharib.
I mean, and
Cutest.
Vipin sir is there, Seema ma'am is there.
Yeah.
Like the cast is unbelievable.
Yeah, and above all, Madan Chopra. the one and only Dalip Tahil Saab.
Dalip Tahir.
But for you to be part of this, what did you actually learn, like being part of Family Man 3?
Actually, nobody asked me that. That's a great question. I learned the fact that you can shoot really complicated things with a smile and with ease, because I've always been on sets. There have been a lot of sets where it's very high pressure.
Yeah.
Like you
Yeah.
just feel that, tension of time running out or
Mm.
money not being there. It's always like restrictive in a way,
Mm.
and you're trying to like maximize the day. But here I felt like they were so well prepared because they've been the same teams. So I have a lot of respect for
Yeah,
makers who
of
have the
course.
same teams,
Teams, yeah.
and they've promoted their people.
Mm.
So Tushar sir was an associate, now he's directing episodes.
Yes.
Suman sir was a writer,
Yes.
he's
He's
directing
yeah.
episodes.
Yeah.
And there are other people also. So similar teams for Farzi, Guns and Gulabs.
Mm.
That says a lot about them as people.
Completely.
Planning excellent. There are times where they're shooting three units. There's one unit with
I
Manoj sir,
know.
there's one with Jaideep sir, there's one with Zoya
Yeah.
and Yatish,
Yeah.
and they were shooting it parallelly. That's the reason why there are 4 directors. 4 directors directing simultaneously. So I saw them shoot 3 days of work
Yeah.
within one day
Yeah.
sometimes. And then there would be days where they're just like doing one thing, like a single shot sequence where Jaideep
Yeah.
loses his girlfriend.
Yeah.
And they're just like, they're beautiful to work with. So I've openly told them many times, sir, I will be tree also.
Yes, yes.
I will be background tree.
Correct,
In
absolutely.
anything you do.
Yeah, yeah.
And they know that. And
Mm.
I'm very serious about it.
That's amazing. Also because I feel like you had, like the nerd in you or the geek in you was like so
I
happy.
went with lots of notes.
Yes. And you're like, ये सब ठीक है.
हाँ.
मुझे पता है कि मैं good looking आदमी हूँ.
हाँ.
लेकिन जो मुझे actually excite कर रहा है.
हाँ.
And I think that that's also something that we, face value is so overrated.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter. I mean, today you look a certain way, tomorrow you wouldn't. All of this is so transient. But what is not transient is the fact that you are a creator and that you will be able to create worlds and create characters.
Yes.
And I think that is one of the most exciting things about you as an artist.
And they gave me the first take. Like, I have to
Mhm.
give this to Raj sir, Suman sir. They said, you're an actor, right?
Mm,
You
mm,
do this professionally.
mm.
So we don't have to hold your hand and tell you how to do this, right?
Correct.
We've given you all the information. You've read the script.
तो
we've-
actor act कर.
हाँ. So first take उन्होंने हमेशा दिया कि
Correct.
even if it's bad, it's good,
Mm.
it's perfect,
Mm.
it's सुर पकड़ा है नहीं पकड़ा, तुम दिखाओ तुम क्या करोगे. So
Mm.
that
Mm.
instantly gives you confidence. Because I
Mm.
was nervous. I was so nervous on the first day
Mm.
because they had announced just 5-6 days before my first day of shoot
Correct.
that Jaideep Alawat joins the cast of Family Man. So I was like, Manoj sir, Sharip sir, Priya Mani, Ashlesha, Vedanta, just counting. And now we have Jaideep sir and we have Nimrat ma'am. I was like, great.
Great. Great.
Don't ruin this for yourself. Please get it right.
I watched the episodes in a preview and I wrote to him
Yeah.
and I told you how much I liked it. And I
Yeah.
thought he was very good because I feel like I've seen some of your work.
Yeah.
I'll be honest. I saw Aisha and then I must have watched a few episodes of
There's also one
Potluck.
really cool thing called Arranged Couple with TVF. That's
Oh,
with
okay.
Shrishti Srivastava. And we
I love
play a-
Shrishti.
She's the
She's
best.
amazing.
She's the best.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
yeah.
we play a couple that's gone into arranged marriage in today's
Yeah.
time.
I've seen it.
And then we slowly discover that
Yes.
how we fall in love.
Yes. Yes.
But everybody's
yes.
seen me do cutesy, like sweet boy. This is a man. so-
Yeah, bro. आ गया मैं.
Yeah.
हो गया मेरा glow up.
And especially the fact that they gave Yatish's character everything.
Mm.
I won't reveal what happens, but there's a sense of authority. There
Yeah.
are softer moments with
Yeah.
Zoya.
Yeah.
And then there's a great reveal of who this guy really is. Like all these
Mm.
factors for any actor to be a part of Family Man, I would do one scene also.
Yeah.
But to get this was
To get
just-
this, yeah. Yeah, it's fun. We can't say too many things, guys, because we want you to watch the show this season. If you watch the show this season, then it'll be nice if you actually drop a comment under this video,
Please.
because hey,
We love
actors,
comments.
artists would really love your sort of feedback on it, and sometimes your DMs could get lost. I don't know.
I've been getting a lot of hate also in
What?
the best way possible.
For what?
The fact that I'm against Shrikant Tiwari, which
Oh,
is
yeah,
right
yeah,
from
yeah,
the
yeah.
beginning,
Of
right?
course,
I'm
of
the one
course.
who's trying to catch him. So, hey, how dare you?
कौन है तू?
And
तेरी मजाल.
हाँ, तेरी मजाल तू हमारे श्रीकांत तिवारी के पीछे. So it was super fun. And then they were right also in the bracket.
Mm.
But sir, love the acting. This is a response to the character. So I got a lot of that and I was really enjoying
That's
it.
good.
I was enjoying
That's
it.
amazing. What comes next for you?
I just finished shooting a show called Hisab, which is for Amazon MX. Again,
Mhm,
entering a new space.
Mhm.
They're doing something called TV++,
Correct.
which is a beautiful mix of the OTT learnings, the TV learnings,
Correct.
putting them all together. Because it's a free-to-watch platform.
Correct.
But it's got a incredible cast.
Oh wow, who's in it?
Moni Roy is in it. Sanjay Kapoor is in it. Shahir Sheikh.
Love Sanjay Kapoor.
Love. Met him recently also. He's
Yeah,
just the
he's
best.
so fun. Yeah.
And he
yeah.
got everybody together.
Yeah.
So Moni and Sanjay literally used to call the cast members. And this
So
I felt
sweet.
with Manoj sir also there.
Yeah, yeah.
They love people.
They love
come-
it.
they
Yeah,
love
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
And Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia is there. Avinash, who's in Big Boss, is there. So I am surrounded with really popular people in that. And I got to just do my job. And I'm playing a Surdy, who's a cop with full pagdi and everything. So my parents again
They are very happy.
checking all the boxes of being a son, except
So,
for getting married.
so you know, interview तो खत्म हो गया, लेकिन ये बात मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि there is a Singh and there's a Singha and there's a Sangha.
Yes.
So
yeah.
what is it like really?
I'm sorry. So the village is called Jandu Sangha.
है ना?
Yes.
So I'm not
So
wrong
you have
when I
actually
say
pronounced it properly.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, because मैंने हमेशा रणविजय संघा ही बोला है.
Which is absolutely bang on.
शुक्रिया, thank God.
So my father, my grandfather, my chacha, the two chachas, everybody has different surnames.
Oh.
So my dad
okay.
follows my grandfather, who
Correct.
writes Singha. Actually, it should be Sungha, Sangha, like how you pronounce.
Sangha, yeah,
But my
yeah.
chacha has taken it to another level. He's made Sangha,
Oh.
Sangha. That's like a villain in a
अरे वो
movie.
सांगा.
Sangha साहब आ रहे हैं.
कितने सरनेम थे?
Rifle leke, you know, the typical 70s movie. And the third chacha, he just writes Singh.
Damn it.
So we've also
Correct.
continued the confusion.
Continue the confusion is good. ऐसा नहीं कि
Yeah.
we called it to an end.
No.
Like चलते रहो.
कुछ भी करते
हाँ, मजेदार होनी चाहिए
हाँ.
life. That's amazing.
ड्रामा चलते रहना चाहिए कुछ ना.
बिल्कुल. What are you most looking forward to in 2026?
I'm honestly looking forward to meeting some of my heroes, and when I say that I mean people like Anubhav Sinha, Sujit Sarkar, Vikramaditya Motwani, Rajan DK, of course, everybody at TVF, Arunabh sir, and I just want to be part of their world. And Sudeep Sharma, the man who's made Patal
Of
Lok,
course.
and Kohra. So these are people I follow very closely. I watch everything. I watch all the interviews. So even though I have whatever perception people have of me, but I have like this dream of being
Working
in
with them.
their world. And Aditya Dhar, I watched Dhurandhar. So I've just put it down as a whatever call it manifestation.
Vision board, yeah.
Yeah,
Of
I'm
course,
like these are the
yeah.
people that I love. I love their
Wanna
work
work
from
with them.
afar. I just want to meet them and hopefully they can find some space for me somewhere.
I'm sure they will, because this is that show. This is a magic show.
Yeah.
Magic show, cute. Ta-dum.
I'm a baby.
I'm just a baby. But thank you so much, Harman, for dropping by. And I'm
Always.
so happy that you made time to come into my show and to be up on my show.
Obviously,
Thank you so much.
Obviously.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Harman Singha and I would love to wish the Just to Filmy family a very, very, very happy new year and I hope you have the best 2026. Hi, this is Harman Singha. I'm with Road Talks on Just to Filmy. Please subscribe to the channel. You better do it. Please.
Just to fill me.